Hello everyone, this is Mario Quintero once again with the One Stop Shop produced by Mario's Home News. Today it's a pleasure for me to introduce Michael Welch, longtime friend and referral partner. He is the president of University Credit Union here in Miami, and I'd like to welcome you.
Thank you. Good to be here, Mark.
Thanks for stopping by. Appreciate it. Thank you. So Michael, let's get right into it. How does credit union membership work, and how do your clients become a member? Can you talk to a little bit about that process?
I sure can. University Credit Union has been around since 1947. We started out as the credit union for the University of Miami. About 32 years ago, we became the credit union for Florida International University. About 20 years ago, we became the credit union for St. Thomas University. And then we turned into a community membership, which means anyone that lives or works in Miami-Dade County can join University Credit Union. It's very easy to do. $5 in your savings account buys your share in the credit union. So you're not only a member, but you're also an owner of the credit union. We're a little bit different than most financial institutions. We're a not-for-profit cooperative. So again, you're a member and an owner of your own not-for-profit cooperative financial institution.
That's great information. I wasn't aware of how that membership actually worked, and that's pretty easy.
It's very easy to do. Yes, sir.
Okay. So how many branches and shared branches do you have here in Miami-Dade? Can you talk a little bit about that?
Sure can, Mario. We have 5 branches in Miami-Dade County. We have one in West Kendall by the Executive Airport. We have one on Red Road just across the street from the University of Miami campus. We also have a branch in the Medical Center for the University of Miami at Jackson Memorial Hospital. And we have branches on each campus of Florida International University, the South Campus and the North Campus up off of Northwest 151st.
So they're pretty conveniently located around town.
They very much are. And then the shared branches that you mentioned, Mario, that's a shared branching network throughout the country. Any branch that you have of another credit union that is part of the shared branching network, you can do your University Credit Union transactions at those branches.
Beautiful. So, Michael, for the viewers, what is the best phone number and website to get in touch with the credit union?
The best phone number is 786-425-5000, 786-425-5000, and the website is www.myuniq.com.
So, while we were preparing for today's show, I understand you got some really exciting programs.
We do.
And I want to go over those individually because we may have a lot of people out there that might be able to use one of your programs.
Excellent. Love to do that.
Let's go ahead with the first hot product. Let's start off with the home equity loan. Tell us about that, how it works, and how you're getting them done.
It's a very simple loan, Mario. It's a fixed home equity loan. You hear a lot about home equity lines of credit. That's a variable rate product. We have those also. But the fixed home equity loan, you come in and you tell us exactly how much you want to take out on your second mortgage on your home, and then you get a fixed rate. We have 5-year rates at 4%, up to 10-year rates at 4.5%, and we also go up to 15 years on those at 5%. So you need to come in and talk with us about your needs for a home equity loan, and we can fix you up with the home equity fix that we have currently.
Is your home equity loan good on both first position and second position?
Yes, it is.
Okay, so they could do either or.
Yes, they can.
Very flexible. I understand you have some unsecured personal loans. Can you tell us a little bit about that?
We do. Unsecured, signature loan, personal loan, they're all the same thing. They're sometimes confusing out there in the financial world, but basically what it is with your signature, that's all we need to let you borrow money. We have lines up to $20,000. The rates are as low as 6.74%, and it goes by, like most lending nowadays, it goes by your credit score. But those are very easy to get. Come in, you sign the paperwork, and we put the money into your account with the credit union.
Beautiful. Auto loans. I understand you guys have some really aggressive auto loans for both new autos and also used loans for used cars.
We do.
And at the same time for existing auto loans that you could refinance them.
We do.
Tell us about those.
We do. The new car financing, rates as low as 2.34% for 36-month financing. Again, that's done by your credit score. And we also do used car financing with very aggressive rates. The special product that we have right now is a auto refinance rate. If you have your auto with another financial institution, you can bring that loan into us. We'll write it back up to the same term. This is any loan you've had within the last 24 months. You'll bring it in, we'll write it right up to the previous term that you had, and we'll take up to 2% off of your rate down to as low as 2.99. So say you have a 6% loan right now, you bring it into University Credit Union, we take it back out so we can keep your payment the same as it is right now, and we take up to 2% off, so it'll be a 4% loan that you'll have on that car that's already financed.
Sounds pretty easy to me.
It's
I
a great
apologize
deal.
for the technical difficulties
No
there. We
challenge.
don't have Andy here today, so I'm going solo technical. Okay, so the last thing we want to talk about is your credit card program. I understand you have an aggressive program with credit cards and transfers and all of that stuff.
We do. This is probably the best deal that we've had in quite some time. On your credit card, this is a MasterCard loan that you'd be getting with University Credit Union for purchases and balance transfers from now, or October 1st, we started at the beginning of this month, until March 31st, 2020. Any transaction you do on that card is at 0% for 6 months, and then if you still haven't paid that transaction off, it goes to 6.99% fixed until you pay the transaction off. So for example, you have a $5,000 loan with another financial institution. You may be paying 18, 21, 25% on that credit card. You bring that balance over to us. You get 0% for 6 months. And then whatever's left of the balance after that 6-month period of time, we'll fix it at 6.99% until you pay that off. It's a great deal.
Sounds like a great deal. So if any of our viewers want to get in touch with University Credit Union, what is the best number and the website so that they can give you a call?
The best number is 786-425-5000, 786-425-5000. And our website, if you'd like to go to the website, you can apply for the loan completely online, get your answer online. It's very easy to do, and that's www.myuniq.coop, C-O-O-P.
So Michael, it's been an honor and a pleasure to have you come by the studio today to film this. And one of the things I suggest to the viewers is that when you call up the University of Miami Credit Union, let them know you saw Michael Welch, the president, on the one-stop shop. And that's how you found out about their programs. And I'm sure that you're going to agree with me that a lot of these programs are outstanding. Michael,
Thanks
for
so much.
stopping by.
Appreciate it. Thank you, everyone.